So guys, here today I'm trying to unlock my Samsung Note 20 phone. So I can tell you the process if Note got cellular locked. So you need to go to Cellunlocker.net and just try to unlock your phone. Select your carrier, Samsung. And then select your model, and select your network lock and give your IMEI, and then check unlock. Pay your services, and then you will get an email from Cellunlocker.net. Once you get the email with the unlock code, just go to your phone and just give that unlock code and CK code in your phone. It's network unlocked now. And try to restart your phone. You can see the signal now here. You see, signal is connecting and everything is connecting. That's all.